Good morning to all. Today our chapter is compound interest. From the book Innovative Math Exercise 2A, find the compound interest on rupee 200 in 3 years at 4% per annum return annually. Just see. Question number 1. First part. Principal given rupees 200. Rate given 4% per annum. And time given 3 years. Time given 3 years. You can do using formula method or you can apply step by step method. Therefore, interest for first year, interest for first year formula is what? PRT 100, P means principal 200, rate 4, time 1, PRT by 100. 100 to 2 4 is 8 rupees 8. This is the interest for first year. Therefore, amount after first year, amount after first year, principal था 200 अभी 8 ऐड करो 208. 208 is the 208 is the principal for next year. Therefore, interest for second year. This is the principal 208 into rate into time 1 by 100. That means it is coming 4 to the 8, 832 by 100. It is coming 8.32, 8 rupees 32 paise. Therefore, amount after second year, amount after second year. The last principal are 208 plus 8.32. It is coming 216.32. This is the principal for third year. Therefore, interest for third year. Interest for third year. Interest for third year will be the last principal 216.32 into rate into time always 1 by 100. Okay. After simplification, you will get the interest. This is the interest for third year. Okay, 216.32. Definitely, if you divide 100, it will be 4 into 2.1632. If you multiply, it is coming how much? 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 6 is 24, means 25, 4 1 is 4, 2 6, and 4 to the 8. That means approximately 8.70 paisa, rupees 8.70 paisa approximately. This is the interest after third year. Therefore, final amount after 3 years, amount after 3 years will be how much? The last principal it was 216.32 plus 8.70. Just add, it is coming 225 rupees 02 paise. Okay. This is the answer of number 1. You have to apply the step by step method for the first exercise, exercise 2A. Okay. Question number 1, first part completed. Let us go to the second part. Second part question given Rupees 360, the principal 360 times 3 years at 3% per annum return annually. Same procedure to solve, just see the process of solving. And this is the step you have to mention here. Interest for first year, amount after first year, then this is the principal for second year, again interest for second year, again amount after second year, after amount second year, then this is the principal for third year. Therefore interest for third year it will be PRTY 100, and this is the last year. The same part you have to solve. Second part, just see. Second part, first to see what is given. Principal given rupees 360, rate given 3% per annum, time given 3 years. You have to apply the same concept. Interest for first year, that is the PRT by 100, 360 into rate 3 time 1 always by 100, 10 cancel, 3 108 by 10, that means 10.8. Amount after first year, will be how much? 360 plus 10.8, that means it is coming rupees 370.8. Therefore this is the principal for second year. Interest for second year, the interest for second year it will be 370.8 into rate, that is 3% time 1 by 100. If we divide 100, this will be 3.708 into 3. Just multiply. How much coming? 3 8 is 24, 3 7 is 21, 3 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, means 11 rupees 12 paisa. Interest for second year. Therefore amount after second year, the last principal it was 370.80 plus 11.12 up to 2 plus a decimal, that means it is coming 381.92. This is the amount, and this is the principal. This will be the principal for third year. Therefore interest for third year will be 381.92 into rate into time divided by 100, PRT by 100. If you divide, the point will be 3.8192 into 3. Just multiply 3 here. 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27, 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5, 3 8 is 24, 11.45. That means this is approximately rupees 11 rupees 46 paisa. Okay, this is the interest for third year. Therefore final amount after 3 years, the last principal it was 381.92 plus 11.46. Just you add, this is the final amount. Tell you how much? 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 4 13, 112 3 9, 393 rupees 38%. This is the final amount after 3 years. And the compound interest will be Final amount 393.38 minus 360 rupees. This is the principal. Okay. If you subtract, how much you'll get? Rupees 33.38 paisa. In this way, question number 1, second part completed. I hope you are able to understand. You can solve in this way. Other two questions. Number 1, thank you for today's class. Next day I do more solve.